My Lord, I'd want to first of all say something before maybe the ink dries. My Lord, this
can we first of all agree on a date for plea, because the plea cannot be taken today?
Yes, Your Honor. That is why I want to make a comment on that, because we wanted an early date.
You want an earlier date?
Yes, they've been in custody for 30 days. So the 14 days they are asking for, it's a stretch. They've been in custody for 30 days. A facility can be available within the next 5-7 days. That 14 days is a stretch.
Wako el paso normal.
Is it before the criminal division?
It's because I was sort of division, but seeking the same players challenging the criminal case number E451 of 2026, my lord. And in fact, on the top of the judge, some of the parties are going so that it consolidate because they're seeking the same players, the same issues, my lord. And the other case coming up on for mention on 12th of October 2026 before Honorable Judge trial. So you are
I'm going to stop you there briefly, Mr. Mulati.
Yes, my lord.
It is not.
The DPP respondents and sometimes reply.
Mr. Mr. Martel, I see. First of all, tell me, have you served the respondents?
Yes, my lord, and we were before your brother Justice on both occasions, including the 18th or 19th of August, rather.
Yes. Yes.
And my lord, on those occasions, the DPP was represented.
All right. Position, Mr. Moronga, because the application is one for revision. We start there, and it has come by way of your letter dated the 28th of July.
Correct, my lord.
All right. So it is you're seeking revision in terms. Mr. Mulati will appear for the DPP in this matter.
My lord, I'll try to take directions, my lord.
All right. Mulati, have you seen the letter by MAW advocates? Essentially, the long and short of it is they are seeking that bail,
which the court had ordered be verified, and the investigating officer did verify the same.
Whether Mr. Mulati agrees with you or not. One of the issues that is important for you, Mr. Murunga, and for the court, MCCR 660/2020 be called up and placed before the court for purposes of hearing?
Correct, my lord.
All right.
My lord, when we were before Justice Mutembei, the file was there. Allow me to, because really, my lord, I would wish that the court dispenses with this issue today. I would wish to make some administrative follow-up so that, my lord.
And you say those averments, as you state, or possession was communicated to Justice Mutembei.
My lord, when we were before Justice Mutembei, the file was placed aside and been overwhelmed by other matters in fiscal court. And that's why we got the date.
I don't have facts on the issues. What's the verification all about? What's the finding of the verification, my lord?
Okay, I think to be fair to
Had the file placed aside so that Mr. Mulati and I can, but I know that he may need to benefit from the record and all that.
Chris Mulwa and Angela Mulwa.
Ross Mbithe?
yes.
Chris Molo? Judge, this is Kenya, Court Assistant High Court Criminal. I have Ross Mbithe Mulo, alias Rose Mbithe Detay, and Chris Mulo, Angela Mulo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kenya, the able court assistant, who appears for the three accused persons.
My name is Dan Stanomari, alongside Mr. Cliff Mbithe.
I am present, Your Honor. Good morning.
Mr. Timothy Kilonzo,
I'm present, my lord.
Ms. Martina Swiga,
I'm present, my lord. Good morning.
Mr. William Simba,
I'm present, my lord. Good morning.
Mr. Cosmas Ingeso,
I'm present, my lord. Good morning.
Mr. Mbuvi Katunga,
I'm present, my lord. Good morning.
and Mr. Samson Nyaberi.
Good morning, my lord. I'm present.
My lord, the team will be led by Mr. Mbithe Cliff. Thank you.
All right. Who appears for the Honorable DPP?
Yes, for the state, Jalson Makori.
Yeah.
Gikoi
Thank you, Mr.
Ishu.
Makori.
Yes, Gikoi
Present, my
Ishu.
lord.
Thank you, Ms. Kikui.
Pauline Muduri.
Present, my lord.
Millicent Kagira, she should be online. Stephen Biko.
Present, my lord.
And Alex Biema.
Present, my lord.
We also have JV Owiti, he's joining us shortly.
Thank you very much, Mr. Makori. Rose Mbithe Mulwa, Chris Mulwa.
Kofuna Lawi.
That is Mr.
Kofuna.
Mr. Wafula.
Kofuna, Kofuna.
I didn't get your other name, Mr. Wafula.
It's Kofuna Lawi.
Appearing for the victim's family. Mulwa, Angela Mulwa, what language do you understand? It's a question directly to the accused persons.
English. Second accused? English. Third accused? English.
All right. Thank you very much. Mr. Kenywa, the very able court assistant from the Director of Public Prosecutions, on behalf of the matter, read out the information in English.
Received an information that the three accused persons, that is Mr. Mbithe, Mulwa, Miss Mbithe, Mulwa, alias Mbithe, Deity. The second accused person, Mr. Chris Mulwa, and the third accused person, Angela Mulwa, have been charged with the offense of murder, contrary to section 203 as read with section 204 of the Penal Code.
My lord, prior to the accused persons.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Let the accused persons first for be informed of the information. We'll come to the other matters later.
That in the morning of 29th day of July 2026 at about 0:30 hours along 09:30 hours along Mwamwesi Road in Kilimani sub-county within Nairobi County, jointly with that before not this court, murdered Dr. Victoria Muthunya Mutiso.
All right. Now, thank you, Mr. Kenywa. Now, before any of the three accused persons can make any comment as to their mental...
My lord, not yet.
Why is that so, Mr. Makori?
The same was to be done by the prison authorities, and it was not possible for them to be done while at the police station. They were detained at the police station. They were in the custody of the police.
When can this now be done?
I'm being informed that they require 14 days.
Mr. Makori?
Yes, Mbagathi Hospital. Mbagathi Hospital.
All right, so let me first of all give them the following direction that the High Court the accused persons in English language they understand. However, they need not make any charge until they undergo a psychiatric test at the Mbagathi Hospital or any other convenient government joint to another date. In the meantime, the three accused persons shall now be removed from the police station and will be held as follows. For Mbithe Mulwa, she will be detained at the moment at the Langata Women's Prison. Chris Mulwa will be held at the Nairobi remand, whereas Angela Mulwa will be held at Langata Women's Prison. Plea will now be taken before the Honorable Justice Muteti on a date that we shall now agree on that is convenient to all of the parties.
My Lord, my Lord, I'd want to first of all say something before maybe the ink dries. My Lord, this
can we first of all agree on a date for plea, because the plea cannot be taken today?
Yes, Your Honor, that is why I want to make a comment on that, because we wanted an early date. They have been
you want an earlier date?
Yes, they've been in custody for 30 days. So the 14 days they are asking for, it's a stretch. They've been in custody for 30 days. A facility can be available within the next 5-7 days. That 14 days is a stretch.
Oh, okay, Mr. Mbithe, can we have for plea? Yeah, keep in mind that the High Court is on recess, so I want to give you the earliest date possible, so that would then have to be in the month of September.
My Lord, with
Mr. Mbithe?
Yes, the first week of September. Because today is 27.
Still on recess.
Yeah, the court is in recess, but there is a duty judge. Come, please.
We still need a vote.
Yes.
That they had been seeking for treatment, they have not been taken for treatment. It's just a mess by DCI. They're the ones who are stopping them from being taken.
All right, let us move forward. Mr. Obuna, what is the earliest date before Justice Muteti immediately after the end of the recess, perhaps the first week of the new term?
23rd of September.
23rd of September, Mr. Mbithe, and your team?
Any date around about 15th, 16th, 17th?
23rd of September?
We shall take that then.
It is convenient.
All right.
My Lord, my Lord Mr. Omari, can I raise an issue that you have already given directions on?
You told me, Mr. Omari, that you're being led by Mr. Mbithe.
He has given me permission.
Let me hear Mr. Mbithe.
Yes, thank you. Let Mr. Mbithe talk.
You raised the issue.
Mr. Mbithe?
My Lord, there are a few issues that we needed to raise. You're pursuing in relation to our land in this case. Them being in custody and being in remand in Langata cannot be able to let them have access into coming to court. And these matters are crucial. This is part of this issue that is in this case. That's why we would have preferred that by the time they are going for mental assessment and all that, where they can be held in the police stations where they were, until the date after they have taken plea. Also easier for them to get treatment from their own doctors. I'm certain the prosecution will tell you that the prison provides these things. They have always failed us.
And the police station issues, police station, you dismiss.
All right, Mr. Makori, anything to?
The prison authorities are capable of producing them whenever they are needed. And if they need even a production order, the same can be issued by the court. So I don't see any difficulties in them attending or, because I assume that this is a civil matter they have. So, and I believe that they should be having advocates to represent them. Or better still, they can still attend through online. The prison authorities can arrange for that.
Be heard by the Honorable Justice Alexander Muteti for plea on the 23rd of September 2026. The accused persons shall be escorted for a psychiatric test at Bagadi District Convenient Facility at the earliest, and a report be submitted to the court. Accused persons shall be held at the Kenyatta Women's Prison. The second accused person shall be detained at the Nairobi remand. Thank you very much. Sorry, Mr. Obetal and your team, I'm not able to address the other issues. Please place them before the trial court on the 23rd of September 2026. We go to the next matter.
Criminal case number E005 of 2026, Republic versus PC Elijah Kibedion Kimun.
Ms. Kikoigishoe, Ms. Pauline Mudhuri, Millicent Kigera, Mr. Stephen Biko, Mr. Alex Biema, and Mr. Owiti, you say?
Yes, please.
All right. And who appears for the accused person?
The accused doesn't have any representation, my lord.
To find out what language the accused person, PC.
Unaelewa lugha gani? English ama Kiswahili? Kiswahili. Kiswahili, Judge.
Right. Now, you'll explain to the accused person that the High Court is informed by the Director of Public Prosecutions on behalf of the Republic that the accused is to be charged with murder contrary to Section 203 as read together with Section 204 of the Penal Code. The particulars being that on the morning of the 29th of July, informed the accused person that he need not make any comment or plead to that information until one, an advocate is appointed for him in this matter, and secondly, that he is submitted to a mental assessment test as to his capacity to follow these proceedings or to defend himself. Explain that to the accused so that plea will then be deferred 26 before the Honorable Justice Mbithe. Translate that in Kiswahili.
Okay, Judge. Inasemekana kwamba ofisi ya mashtaka hii Kenya kwamba wewe Elijah Kibolweni Kimoi kwamba unashtakiwa na mashtaka ya mauaji, na inasemekana kwamba wewe Elijah Kiboloi Kimoi mnamo kuamkia tarehe 29 mwezi wa 7 mwaka huu masaa ya saa 3:30 katika maeneo ya Mwalwenzi Road, Kilimani Sub-County huko Nairobi, wewe na wengine ambao wako mbele ya hii mahakama mlimuua Victoria Mudhunya Mutiso. Haitaki kujibu, na hii koti inatoa amri ya kwamba utapelekwa kwa daktari wa kuchunguza akili mnamo tarehe 29 mwezi wa 9 mwaka huu.
23rd. That translation is not correct, Mr. Kenywa.
Yes.
It is the plea that will be taken on the 23rd of September.
Apologies, Judge. Utapelekwa kwa daktari wa kuchunguza akili na hii kesi yako itatajwa tena tarehe 23 mwezi wa 9 mwaka huu. Umeelewa?
All right. In the meantime, we'll be held
E004 of 2026, and we'll be making an application for consolidation of the two matters. Before the mention.
I want to make those orders at the very end, Mr. Now, Mr. Can you explain this in Kiswahili again to PC Elijah Kibelion Kimoi, that the Deputy Registrar of the High Court shall appoint pro bono legal counsel for the accused person at the earliest.
Deputy, Mr. Elijah, Deputy Registrar kutafutia wakili wa serikali ndiye akuwakilishe.
Alright, and that plea is now deferred to the 23rd of September 2026 before the Honorable Justice Alexander Muteti, and that in the meantime the accused person shall be held at the Nairobi remand. Thank you.
Mbele ya Justice Justice Muteti. Na utaka remand.
Alright.
Industrial area.
The next case number is the criminal case number 56 of 20.
Hiyo kazi imetosha hiyo.
He's the one who has power to allocate.
I know. 5th September 2024, when the deputy registrar directed that the accused